5 amazing people na nandyan. Maraming salamat. Ayan, 5 amazing people. Thank you so much. Ayan, thank you so much, 5 amazing people. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Diyan. Ayan, thank you so much.
Developmental stage for them as we see the crowd reacting to the substitution. Speaking of development, love to see Julia Paredes who's been displaying such potential and being a great backup center for the captain Gia de Guzman. Let's see how she can keep the pace for Alas Pilipinas.
Ayan, 5 amazing people na nandiyan. Maraming salamat.
Still afford these errors, but again, no one wants to be complacent because Chinese Taipei has also showed great improvement in that second set. And Coach DeVito looking at his bench, thinking of whether he's going to call a timeout.
Oy, Jutlis, salamat, Jutlis. Ayan, nakaano na siya. Hindi pa. Ayan, thank you so much sa pitong nandyan. Maraming salamat. Uy, Jutlips. And maraming salamat sa mga nakatambay po dyan mula kanina. Thank you so much. Ayan, nag-review po ako ng iyong mga videos. Lalong-lalo na sa aking mga members. Ayan, Jutlips, maraming salamat. Ate Robin Lynn, thank you so much. Ayan, maraming salamat sa mga nandyan.
That's probably the most actions you'll get from CC Rodina tonight. And now the chance for each of as a great time out by Coach DeVito, icing the server, and the server sends it long.
Thank you. Ang babalik.
We're gonna need those fresh legs as well. The same kind of benefit we're getting from a lot of fresh legs today. We need that.
Ayan, maraming salamat sa mga nandyan.